Hey, what's up guys? So two things to go over today. First off, giveaway time. I'm going to be giving away a brand new Blackvue DR750 2-channel LTE. This is the dash cam that records in 1080p front and rear and allows you to pop in a SIM card to make it easier to get the dash cam connected to the cloud for all of your remote connectivity capabilities. And a big thanks to Blackbox My Car for providing the dash cam here for this giveaway. The giveaway runs for a few more days, and to enter the giveaway, you can head on over to the link in the video description to where I have all of my Cyber Monday deals posted as well. And then speaking of Cyber Monday, let's go ahead and talk about that real quick. The Cyber Monday deals that I'm seeing online, they're actually really similar to the Black Friday deals. It's a lot of the same stuff discounted, but the pricing is a little bit different. For example, if you take a look at the Escort radar detectors, there's the Max 360 and the 360C. Both detectors are still discounted, but they've changed their discount price. The Max 360C is actually $30 higher than it was for Black Friday, and the original Max 360 is now $30 lower than it was for Black Friday. So the original Max 360 is now even cheaper than it was for Black Friday. Additionally, I'm also seeing the Unity detectors finally getting cheaper too. Like for example, with the R7, it's now dipped below $450. I've been watching the price of this fluctuate all day long. Right now, as I'm doing this video, it's $440, but it's been up and down all around $450 or so all day long. The R3 has also dropped down as well. Now it's available for just $255. And this makes it an even better deal than before. It's one of the cheapest prices that I've seen here for the R3. The DFR9, I've also been watching this fluctuate over and under $200. It's available still for $189. And so if you really want a detector under the $200 price point, this is still the one that I would be recommending. If you're looking for a laser jammer, the TMGs are available here for Cyber Monday as well. You can get something like a dual with the VPR head for roughly half the price of a comparably equipped ALP, which, hey, that's really nice. The Blackvue dash cams have the same discounts as what we saw for Black Friday, including the DR750 2-channel LTE, which I'm going to be giving away here. And the ThinkWare dash cams, those are also nice and discounted as well, like $100 off here, the ThinkWare U1000 2-channel. Now, as far as the VFO dash cams, again, if you're looking for a really good bang for the buck, take a look at these. There's the A129 Plus Duo, for example, to give you 2K recording up front and 1080p in the rear. This one is going to be available for, what, $134? I've been, again, seeing the price fluctuate a little bit all throughout the day, but yeah, this is going to be an amazing deal if you're looking for a good bang for the buck for a 2-channel dash cam. Plus, if you want to go to 4K up front, the A129 Pro Duo, I'm a big fan of this dash cam. It's normally $250. You can get it now for, what, $189, $190 here for Cyber Monday. There's also the same nice discounts here for the different memory cards, and something I want to point out is the battery packs here. I've actually been testing these here all day long. For example, this BI750 battery pack, I've been sitting here recording how long it's able to record when the dash cam's in parking mode, and I'm finding its record times are about 25% longer than something like the Blackvue B124X or the CellLink Neo. And that makes sense because these are going to be smaller battery packs compared to something like this, which has a 25% larger capacity. And yes, it does give me 25% longer record times, and it's actually cheaper than the other ones here for Cyber Monday. So if you're looking for good parking record times, definitely take a look at these here as well. Plus, to give yourself an even better deal, you can use the coupon code Vortex20, and that'll knock an additional 5% off the price of the battery pack or any of the dash cams that you get from Blackbox My Car. Then I'm seeing a lot of the same kind of miscellaneous discounts for things like your AirPods Pro, your noise-canceling headphones, your Apple Watches, all that kind of fun stuff too. This all seems to be pretty similar to what we saw for Black Friday. And then finally, that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you'll find it's available here at the very bottom of the Cyber Monday page, just above the Redline 360C giveaway here. And so yeah, we've got a couple giveaways available now, and some of the Cyber Monday deals for a couple different radar detectors and dash cams are actually cheaper than what we had for Black Friday. So awesome. Link to my page with all this information, of course, will be down in the video description, and I know I posted about it earlier, so this is just a quick heads up about that. And besides all that, I've been kind of taking a break from most of the usual YouTube video stuff. I have been posting some articles on my website, things like reviews of the Escort M1 dashcam or the really feature-packed, actually, Nextbase 622GW dashcam. You can take a look over those as well. And I am going to be getting back into the normal routine of making videos here, but yeah, I've been kind of taking a break here, so that's why things have been mostly focused on your Black Friday and your Cyber Monday discounts and stuff. But hey, who doesn't love a nice discount? So anyways, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys are all doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.